morning, my dear aspirants. Welcome to Karthikeya IAS Academy. So today we are going to discuss about our topic. Vardhan dedicates Sagar Anveshika to nation. Here you can observe who is this person, Dr. Harshvardhan, Honorable Union Minister for Earth Sciences. Here you can observe Dr. Madhavan Nair Rajivan, who is the Secretary of Ministry of Earth Sciences. This is the symbol of NIOT, National Institute of Ocean Technology, which is headquartered at Chennai. And here you can see a cyclone on the Bay of Bengal coming towards this coastal body of India. So what this all this means. So please observe here what is our article. Vardhan dedicates Sagar Anveshika to nation. So here we have a clear idea who is that Vardhan, who is that nation. But here you should have the clarity about what is this Sagar Anveshika. So let's start our session. What is Sagar Anveshika? Here you can observe in these images Sagar Anveshika. Some persons standing here and they inaugurating. They are launching this Sagar Anveshika. It seems like a ship, right? So in detail, if you observe, what is this Sagar Anveshika, which is a coastal research vehicle. So here the doubt raises, what is this coastal research vehicle? What this is used for? So please do remember, this coastal research vehicle will be used to carry out environment indexing and bathymetric indexing in both coastal and offshore waters. So please do remember. So what is the main use of this coastal research vehicle? This will be used to calculate, to carry out environment indexing as well as bathymetric indexing. So here the question raises, what is the meaning of bathymetry? Bathymetry is nothing but the measurement of the depth of water. Measurement of the depth of the water, whether in the oceans or rivers or lakes. It is simply like hypsometry, right? So hypsometry, you all are very well known of hypsometry. It is nothing but measurement of land elevations relative to the sea level, right? So relative to the sea level, the measurement of land elevation is nothing but hypsometry, and whereas the bathymetry, it is nothing but the measurement of the depth of the water in oceans, rivers and lakes. Is it clear to everyone? Now, the Sagar Anveshika, which is a coastal research vehicle, which is stationed at Chennai port, it will be used to carry out, as I explained earlier, bathymetric, right? So it will be used for research purposes by the NIOT, National Institute of Ocean Technology. So it has been built by Titagarh Wagons, Kolkata, West Bengal. So please do remember very carefully. Sagar Anveshika is a coastal research vehicle stationed at Chennai port. It will be used to carry bathymetric indexing, which is used for the research purposes of NIOT, right? And it has been built by Titagarh Wagons, right? So Sagar Anveshika, if you observe, it is the second of two coastal research vessels built for NIOT built by Titagar Vehicles Limited, with the first being Sagar Tara, which was delivered in August 2019. So this was the second CRV built by Titagar Wagons Limited, and the first one which was delivered last year, August 2019, it was Sagar Thara, and now his brother Sagar and Veshika joined in this row. And if you observe clearly, how many how many CRVs we are having? We are having total number of 6 CRVs. So now, what is this? The main mission statement: to develop world-class technologies and their applications for sustainable utilization of ocean resources, to provide competitive value-added technical services and solutions to organizations working in the oceans, and also to develop a knowledge base and institutional capabilities in India for management of ocean resources and environment. So what is the main role of this NIOT? It is, what is the abbreviation here? National Institute of Ocean Technology, which is headquartered at Chennai, established in 1993, and the major aim of starting NIOT under the Ministry of Earth Sciences was to develop reliable indigenous technologies to solve various engineering problems associated with the harvesting of non-living and living resources in India's exclusive zone. And we already know what is this EEZ. EEZ full form is Exclusive Economic Zone, which will come under United Nations Convention on the Law of Seas, UNCLOS, United Nations Convention on the Law of Seas, right? It is nothing but the baseline out to 200 nautical miles from the coast. It belongs to the territorial countries, territorial sea. So EEZ will come under which act? United Nations Convention on the Law of Seas 1982 Act. 1982 Act. So what is the main statement? What is the main mission? What is the main aim of this NIOT? It is to develop world-class indigenous technologies for the applications for sustainable utilizations of ocean resources. And for this, we should provide some CRVs. In 2019, we got Sagar Tara, and in 2021 we got Sagar and Veshika. In the same way, there are another 4 elder brothers, nothing but research vehicles. First one is Sagar Kanya, which gives a support, back-end support to this NIOT. The second one is Sagar Sampada. Third one, Sagar Nidhi. Fourth one, Sagar Manusha. And the latest one, and the 2019 one, Sagar Tara, and 2021 Sagar Anveshika. So what is the main role of these coastal research vehicles? It will be used for research purposes by the NIOT, National Institute of Ocean Technology, headquartered at Chennai, right? So Sagar and Veshika, if you observe in clearly, it is nothing but a back-end support. It is nothing but a back-end support which gives variable information about the upcoming cyclones, right? So who is the head of this complete project, complete organization? All this will come under Union Minister of Earth Sciences. Who is that person? Dr. Harshvardhan. And coming to the director of National Institute of Ocean Technology is very, very important person, Dr. G.A. Ramdas. And the third one is the Secretary for the Ministry of Earth Sciences, Dr. Madhavan Nair Rajivan. And as I explained earlier, what is the need of NiO2 from the CRVs? So this is our need. The new vessels, CRVs, will help NIOT to read the cyclonic effect, and the department can also explore the marine organisms and oceans as a source of energy. Right? The NIOT has now started giving advanced cyclonic effects due to such vessels. Like, what are those? Sagar Kanya, Sagar Sampada, Sagar Tara, Sagar Anveshika. Cyclones are predicted at least 2 weeks in advance, which can be very, very helpful for the states and as well as the states to take up advocate advocate disaster management measures with the help of NDRF. And a lot of lives are being saved with this, with the help of early cyclonic warnings and real time information on cyclones, weather conditions. Right? So weather forecasting capacity of India has increased several folds. So it is a very, very good sign for government of India. Thanks to NIOT, and NIOT will be thankful to CRVs. CRV, what is the abbreviation of CRV? Please do remember, very, very easiest topic. What is the abbreviation of CRV? Coastal Research Vehicle. And the government of India has funded a sum of rupees 99.5 crores to develop two vessels that already launched, Sagar Tara in 2019, Sagar Anveshika in 2021. So I think this topic is very, very clear for you. So this is the January month current affairs. In the same way, we will discuss daily 3 to 4 issues. We will cover it. You will have daily tests. So please log in into Karthikeya IAS Academy website. And this is KCR. Thank you.